Uh, Good evening, everyone. I'm very, very happy, very, very proud that we are bringing out the Sword of Bahubali, the virtual reality experience, in the most advanced quality that's available across the world, not just in India, across the world. This is the most advanced engine that is running our Sword of Bahubali. I'm so happy and so privileged and so proud to present you that. Uh, Virtual reality is been in development for some years, but most of the people still don't know what exactly it is. It is very difficult for people to decipher that if you put on the glasses, that you will be transported into a different world. But it has its own set of challenges, both in terms of storytelling and in terms of technology, because to give you an example, Bahubali the film, to render a complicated CG sequence, it takes almost 30 minutes, 40 minutes to render one frame. To if you take with the best of the machines and best of the render farms out there, it will take about 40 minutes or 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes to render one single frame. Whereas in the Bahubali, the Sword of Bahubali VR experience, when you put on your VR glasses, that frame has to be rendered in microseconds. In 1/10 or 1/15 of a second, it has to render. So that is the power of the graphic cards that have been put in the machine. Thanks for AMD Radeon for supplying us and constantly helping us with coming out with the best of the quality. Unfortunately, it is very difficult to talk about the experience unless you put it on and experience it. Only then people will be able to understand each and everything that we are talking about it. So very soon we are trying to get all those pods that you are seeing over there, the pods over there, we are trying to get those kind of pods into the film theaters, into the malls, into the gaming centers, where you can put on your head glasses and enjoy the best of the experience. I am eagerly looking forward to it, to join the queue and watch it there. The final picture is yet to come. We are still in the preview stages. And whoever are you, hope you put on the glasses and enjoy the VR experience, the preview that have been put up here. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much for the kind of support that you have been giving to us for the past 5 years. And we hope that it continues. The world of Bahubali will continue, and we hope that your support and your love will be there for the world of Bahubali in the years to come. Thank you very much.